So this is a question that we are going to be doing today. Take a minute, pause the video here, and see if you can do it yourselves. Okay, so with this question, the most important points that we are going to have to look at is consistent low latency to an AWS region. Basically what that means is that the first answer, like the primary way that we of our connection, has to be direct connect because that's the lowest latency. And also another thing is we need to minimize cost, and we are willing to accept lower traffic if the primary connection fails. What the second part says is that we also need a second connection and it does not have to be as good. So let's look at our options here. So option A, C, and D are the ones that uses Direct Connect as the primary options. So those three are the only three that we're going to be looking at. For option A, a secondary option is a VPN connection as a backup, which is actually very good because a VPN is a very cheap way for a secure connection. It is not as good as a direct connect, but it is a bit cheaper, quite a bit cheaper actually. For C, it uses a second direct connect, where that, although is better than a VPN connection, it is really not worth it because we are willing to accept slower traffic and we want to minimize cost. So C is not actually as good. For D, we are creating a backup connection if the primary connection fails, which is not as good as C or A in this situation because a VPN is more secure and just cheaper. So A is going to be our best option for this question. That is it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.